Welcome to our YouTube video, where we're going to tackle a fascinating problem today. Imagine you want to set up a Poetry Python environment, but you're struggling to get the paths added correctly when you activate it. Sounds like a frustrating problem, right? The solution to this problem involves tweaking the Pyproject.toml file using the tool.poetry.packages and their from attribute. By specifying the paths you want to include in the *.pth file, managed by Poetry upon installation, you can ensure that the necessary paths are added to the sys.path when you run the Python interpreter. Now let's dive into the technical details. In the Pyproject.toml file, you'll need to configure the tool.poetry section with specific packages you want to include, along with their corresponding source directories. These packages can be defined using the include and from attributes, pointing to the desired locations. Next, ensure that your project directory structure aligns with the configuration in the Pyproject.toml file. For instance, having the correct folder set up with the relevant package directories such as src and lib is crucial for everything to work seamlessly. Once you've configured everything and run Poetry install, a myproject.pth file will be created in the virtual environment. This file includes the paths to the specified directories, like path to myprojects asdf-src and path to myprojects asdf-lib. These paths will then be appended to sys.path, allowing you to access the desired packages with ease. To summarize, by leveraging the tool.poetry.packages configuration in the pyproject.toml file, you can seamlessly manage the paths in your Poetry Python environment. So, next time you encounter a similar situation, you'll know just what to do. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite programming joke.